Being a cardiac surgeon is the most amazing thing that ever happened to me. I had the opportunity to help people to feel better, make people live longer, or save the life of many people. I'm Mariano Brizzio. I'm a cardiac surgeon. I treat coronary artery disease. I treat aortic and mitral valve disease, also aneurysms. I offer coronary bypass surgery, heart valve surgery, aneurysm repairs. Mainline Health has the national reputation to be one of the best centers in the country with the best outcomes and specialize in minimally invasive approaches for cardiac surgical procedures. And that was one of the main reasons because I decided to join the team here in Mainline Health. The advantage of the minimal invasive approaches is that the patients have small incisions, and clinically the recovery usually is much faster than the conventional open procedures. There is less pain, less need of potential blood transfusions, and there is less risk of potential complications in the long term. I treat my patients as they are my family. So I try to personalize as much as I can. When I have a patient who is scared about, oh my God, I need open heart surgery, I try to explain, okay, relax, I'm gonna explain to you what I'm gonna do. And after 20 minutes of conversation, the patient is laughing, right? And that's the way that I try to approach the patients. So you need bypass surgery, right? So you have blockages in your coronary arteries. The coronary arteries are the blood vessels that give you blood supply to your heart, right? And you have blockages on that. So I'm gonna bypass or skip the area where the blood vessel is blocked. And in order to do that, we need to take like we call pipes or conduits from another part of your body in order to replace those pipes, right? And this is what coronary bypass is. As simple as I tell. I'm like a plumber of the heart. I've been performing cardiac surgery for almost 30 years, working in many different hospitals and places. Over my career, I have performed more than 3,000 surgical procedures. I'm very passionate about my profession and my expertise. The most gratifying thing that I experience in my career is having patients come to my office after going through these surgical procedures and telling, thank you for saving my life.